Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the color theme in Google Chrome browser. So I'll open the Google Chrome, and at the top right corner where we have three dots, we will click on that, and then we will go to settings. Once you click on that, it will automatically select it like you and Google. You need to click on that, and then you will find this customize your Chrome profile. So I'll click on that. Now from here, you can change the theme color. You can name the theme profile. So let's say if I want the purple one, I'll select that. And you can also pick an avatar if you want that. Like I that melon. So now you can see the theme color has been changed in my Chrome. And if I click on that, I will see here the profile, the avatar as well. Right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.